Hello everyone. Based on the theme of sustainability communication, our team is going to discuss the issue of environmental pollution in the world today. Environmental pollution has become an increasingly severe problem in recent years, which has become a serious problem should be concerned and solved. According to the World Health Organization, pollution is responsible for 8.9 million deaths around the world each year. For this situation, our team is aiming to communicate the severity of environmental pollution problem and the great threats to the sustainable development of mankind. Around this central idea, we have explored four subtopics to focus on, which are water pollution, plastic pollution, domestic waste pollution, and soil pollution. Environmental health perspectives clarified that environmental pollution is now recognized as a major cause of morbidity and mortality in low and medium income countries. In fact, the increasingly aggravated environmental pollution has been posed a major threat to human health, economic, and social sustainable development. In view of this present situation, we identified four opportunities to develop and convey our idea.
The first precedent is an installation and photography work named Bounty Pure Food. This work is made of plastic garbage collected from the ocean. We think this work intuitively shows the impact of plastic pollution on the ecological environment, and it helps to convey to the audience the seriousness of plastic pollution in the ocean today. In addition, the second precedent is a poster named The Sorrow of Greenness. This work vividly expresses the importance of protecting the natural environment and is very contagious. Moreover, the third precedent is the artwork displayed at the Transforming exhibition. This work simplifies the complex idea and presents that in the form of art through photographies, lightbooks, and objects. These artworks enhance the awareness of air pollution which is affecting human lives.
Our key idea is to convey to people the severe of certain environmental pollution and its impact on human suitable development through our design. Around this idea, we explore three different communication methods to convey the hazard of water pollution, plastic pollution, domestic waste pollution, and soil pollution to people. At the time of serious environmental pollution, there are very few ways to separate the hazard of environmental pollution. In the form of a team, we explore the existing form of environmental pollution information dissemination. The impact of environmental pollution on human and whether the concept of suitable developments is a mature problem. Finally, we interrogate inquired information and analyze.
My plan will increase the share and quantity of environmental pollution information as a main design direction. Before that, my team members give a general introduction to the impact of environmental pollution. A large number of people die of environmental pollution every year. Therefore, environmental pollution cannot be ignored. It affects our lives and our future. However, environmental protection is a comprehensive project. Not a single design can be changed. It requires people to have a sense of environmental preparation. Therefore, our group conveys this idea from different angles and methods. Our focus is also consideration and design analysis. We can finally increase the diffusion of environmental pollution information, which will attract more people's attention.
Hello everyone, I'm Yixuan. For my independent investigation, I have explored the present situation of water pollution in my immediate environment. To respond to our theme of communicating the severity of environmental pollution problem. The reason why I focus on this topic is because water pollution has become one of the biggest challenges that is destroying the environment, animal life, and human health. According to Journal of Environmental Management, water pollution problems have become increasingly evident and have led to serious ecological and environmental problems. For instance, here is a figure of the distribution of water quality of China. It shows that the serious surface water pollution in the North China, especially in Haihe River and Yellow River. This president named polluted water popsicles used popsicles with pollutants collected from rivers, virally convince the serious water pollution situation in Taiwan. Actually, it can be seen as the primal source of my inspiration for my own project, and gives me an idea to use the pollutants as the materials to create my installation. Here are my brainstorming and some sketches of my individual project. Here are the specific steps of my project. Firstly, I will use a big bucket to collect water and solid pollutants from a location. Field notes and photographic images of the surroundings will also be taken during the investigation. After get the pollution testing results, I will classify the pollutants and put them into different tea bags. Name the tea according to the different flavors. After filming the photo of submerged tea bags, in order to get a striking and impressive effect, I plan to use Photoshop to do some editing of the photos. What I'm aiming to achieve in the end is to visually communicate the severity of water pollution situation and raise the public awareness of protecting the environment for sustainable development. Here are some sketches of my final product.
My name is Wang Yan. In this project, I would explore the plastic pollution in the ocean. According to the statistics, marine plastic pollution has emerged as a global threat to our oceans. Through research and site visits, I found plastic bottles in the ocean are the main plastic pollutants. About the precedent, in this work is made of cardboard to simulate plastic pollution. I think I can design a gadget machine to communicate the problem of plastic pollution. Then this is brainstorming and the material. I have drawn 3 different shapes of the machine, and I will choose one of them to make. About using step 1, insert a plastic bottle cap into the slot. Step 2, turn the handle, and then you can get a gachapon. Gachapon are made of recyclable plastic. In addition, scanning the QR code will load a picture or video showing plastic pollution in the ocean. And this is my project plan. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Fei Yang Xue. I come from Group 10. My topic is about domestic waste pollution and packing design. My task is to convey to people the seriousness of domestic waste pollution and the impact on human suitable development through design. If the partiality of package is increased, the domestic waste generated by package will be reduced. Packaging design. My main idea is to make the package design into a reusable form, which can be used by people for a long time in another form after packaging form is complete. This is the package of lab design by designer Pan Hu for African people and another area with extremely prevalent and no electricity supplied. This package can be transformed into several hangers of different sizes by simple tilling and folding. Integrated transportation through a large box. The outer box can be transformed into wardrobe or six-drawer chest and be used a hanger clothes through simple processing, which is very typical case for secondary use. This design reused the generation of house holding package waste and at the same time command some life knowledge and disease prevention methods to people through this package. Through this design method, information is effectively disseminated. My design idea is to design reusable package with the important slogan of domestic waste pollution.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jie Wang. The main theme of our group is environmental pollution. I choose soil pollution as my personal theme. In environmental pollution, soil pollution is very serious. It is also the ultimate pollution caused by water pollution and garbage pollution. My task is to let people know the seriousness of soil pollution and its impact of human sustainable development through design. My main idea is to design and make posters to remind people of the seriousness of environmental pollution and the need to protect the soil. My inspiration comes from the work World Soil Day by ecological artist Song Chen. He also attaches great importance to soil pollution. He collected contaminated soil from all over the world and made a painting that implied that the contaminated soil was like a dying baby. Unlike his design, my plan is design and product safety posters with educational and universal effects. I also made a field trap and collected part of the contaminated soil. Only when we have a clean understanding of the disadvantages of soil pollution can people spontaneously protect it, reduce the discharge of sewage, and do not discard plastic bags that are difficult to decompose. Posters are the most direct and effective means of communication.